Daily routine vocabulary. Wake up. To stop sleeping and open your eyes. I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. Get up. To leave your bed after waking up. I get up right after I wake up. Brush teeth. To clean your teeth with a toothbrush. I brush my teeth twice a day. Take a shower. To wash your body under running water. I take a shower every morning. Eat breakfast. To have the first meal of the day. I eat breakfast at 8 a.m. before work. Get dressed. To put on clothes. I get dressed quickly after taking a shower. Comb hair. To make your hair neat using a comb or brush. She always combs her hair before leaving the house. Go to work. To travel to your workplace. I go to work by bus every morning. Have a coffee. To drink coffee, usually as a break. I have a coffee during my morning break. Have lunch. To eat the midday meal. I usually have lunch at 1 p.m. with colleagues. Do the dishes. To wash the used plates, glasses, and utensils. After dinner, I do the dishes. Read a book. To read for pleasure or information. She reads a book every night before sleeping. Take a walk. To walk outside for exercise or relaxation. I take a walk in the park after dinner. Go shopping. To buy things from a store or market. I go shopping for groceries on weekends. Exercise. To do physical activities to stay healthy. I exercise for 30 minutes every morning. Listen to music. To enjoy songs or instrumental tunes. I listen to music while cooking. Iron clothes. To remove wrinkles from clothes using an iron. I iron my clothes the night before work. Water plants. To give water to indoor or outdoor plants. I water the plants every morning. Feed pets. To give food to your pets. I feed my dog before breakfast. Make the bed. To arrange the bed after waking up. I make the bed every morning. Prepare meals. To cook or get food ready. I prepare meals for the whole family. Go for a run. To run outdoors for exercise. I go for a run every morning in the park. Take out the trash. To dispose of household waste. I take out the trash every evening. Relax on the sofa. To sit or lie down on the sofa to rest. I relax on the sofa after work. Meditate. To focus your mind and relax your body. I meditate for 10 minutes every evening. Thanks for watching.